Welcome back to the Blue Row House channel. This is Karina, and if you're new to this channel, this is a lifestyle, home decor, and home organizational channel. And in today's video, I am going to show you how I clean and organize the only two kitchen drawers that I have. They are kind of decent size. So I am going to show you the process. It might be a silent video, with music, or I might do a voiceover, not sure yet. So let's go ahead and take a look at how I organize these two kitchen drawers. Hello friends, and welcome to my kitchen. And as you can see, that's the countertop. I have a little tier tray decorated for Halloween. And what we're gonna check is these two drawers, right? Those are the only decent sized drawers that I have. And this is the before, semi messy, right? And here I am taking everything out. And because of the lack of space in my countertop, I am not able to categorize things, pile things up based on the type of use. So here I am cleaning, and I don't have those kitchen linings because I have those trays from IKEA that I got probably 2 years ago. Here I'm trying to put things here and there, coasters, mini bowls. And yeah, I have too many, right? I have those Halloween ones, putting them away. And all my silverware, it's already clean. And still looking things around. I do not know how to put things here and there. You see, I'm taking things out, and it's kind of hard to pile things up, right? Cleaning here and there, and then again that big container that I was just thinking of maybe leaving it there or tossing it. And it has 2 servings, spoon and forks, so finally got rid of it. And those spoons, they belong to the other side of the kitchen. Putting things here and there, trying to arrange. And I have those 2 mini baskets from Dollar Tree that I got a couple of years ago. And that's where I'm going to be putting the pizza cutter and some of the clips. And let's see. Oh, yeah, the thermometers and the mini sauces container and wine bottles, not wine bottles but wine caps. And here we go, that's to more clips. So I'm just taking things out. I'm showing here the after. It looks organized, right? I'm very happy with that. So here is this other drawer. It's my junk drawer. It's a mess. I was just tossing anything. And here I am taking things out. Taking that big tray that I got from IKEA 2 years ago. And I'm putting things that I'm going to donate. And they are not going to be inside that junk drawer. So here I am taking things out. As you can see, my counter is super small, so I can't put that many things on the counter. Here I am cleaning the IKEA tray. I just love those trays. They're very smart to use. When I say smart, not electronic, but super simple and very organized. I have another mini tray that I got from Michael's Recollections brand. Here I am putting some of the things that belong to the other drawer. And those are like zippy clips or sealers. Those are my tea bag holders, and as you can see, a lot of things. But it's super easy to organize when you have mini compartments, right? So you know that those compartments, they belong to that specific, thing. And again, I am putting things here. Those are my cheese cutters, knives, and that here I am putting more of those plastic zips and more coasters. And I know this is my first time doing a voiceover, so please excuse my way of doing it, right? And my kitchen fridge magnets that I normally, place them, based on the seasons. Those are mini cute, I want to say, little like handkerchiefs. And my tape measurement. And there we go. Here is the final version of it. Isn't that nice? Oh, it feels so good to have everything clean and organized. So this is not my junk drawer anymore. It has definitely a purpose. Again, thanks again for stopping by and watching this video. If you have any questions or any comments, just feel free to add your comments. And I really appreciate you watching. Thank you. Bye.